Those ducks are still fighting. Fighting for a mate, I hear in the comments, perhaps. I'm not sure. They're not fighting for food, because there's plenty of food over here. Let's see. Look at them. Those little ducks. Jeez. Are they fighting to the death? Mr. Broken Wing Duck's like, I'm too old for this. I'm not getting involved. I remember. Oh, are you guys done fighting? No, they're not. It's those two. He flew off. Flew off, flew away. They're fed. I'm sure they'll grab worms and whatnot if they're not feeling the healthy duck feed. Look how my eyebrows do that. It goes up. It goes up. Yes, it does. Now, excuse me while I flip the camera so I can enjoy my cigar. Choked up. Oh. And the squirrel is there. Let's see. All of them are gathered there to eat the healthy duck feed I dropped for them. As you guys saw me prepare this morning. Demon Master Flopsy. Right, my pets. Oh, now he's taking a nap. They're not mine. They're not my animals at all. I just like them. I like their company. They don't bark orders or commands. They just exist in their habitat. And I coexist sometimes with them in this area. With nature. Oh goodness. Where you got? They're still eating. Yeah, that's awfully close for the feed to be dropped. The old birds are sitting in the back. The old water birds. I'm not dropping more feed. This will be it for today. I need to make sure I have feed for you guys tomorrow. And then the next day. And then the next day. And then the day after that. And then the day after that. Oh yes. Of course. Oh fucking course. The day after that. Absolutely. Where the country accent come from? I'm so good again. They are doing their thing. Having a great time. Enjoying the sun. And the feed, of course. And the geese are still fighting for which pile of food they should have. But there's piles everywhere. I did that purposely. Purposefully. Not just one pile. Different piles. In different areas. Nothing really too. Are you guys alright? I think they're fine. Absolutely fine. Absolutely. The ducklings are eating. All the geese need to find some feed to eat. They normally do. Let me grab my cup really quickly. So that one squirrel, he's not interested in the waterfowl food in the slightest.